On December 6, 1917, in Halifax, Nova Scotia, the SS Mont Blanc French ship was leaving the port through the narrows to Europe to deliver ammunition, carrying hundreds of tons of TNT, acid, and many other explosive materials. As it was leaving the port, it collided with the Norwegian SS IMO, which was coming in the opposite direction, but luckily it was already unloaded. After they collided, both ships caught on fire, and in roughly 20 minutes, the SS Mont Blanc had exploded with an incredible force, which caused a tsunami that hit the city. In the end, approximately 2,000 people died and 9,000 were injured. Still today, this is the biggest man-made accident in the world.
In the beginning of the day, the SS IMO had decided to switch channels to a faster route and exit an incoming quickly as the American tramp steamer entered the wrong channel as well. They both passed fine, but as they were going back into the correct channels, the SS Mont Blanc had entered the same channel as the SS IMO. Whistles were blown, both ships were on crash course. Ships struck into evasive maneuvers ordered by their captain, but it was too late. The ships were not able to avoid each other, and the MIO struck into the Mont Blanc.
Halifax was a very important destination in the beginning of World War I. It was a huge international port used during the war. A thing that was good about the harbor is that it was one of the world's largest ice-free harbors. Lots of industries for the war were located near the harbor. The harbor was mainly used for troop ships and war supplies. The city was so important it was guarded by anti-submarine nets, forts, and a large garrison army. Young Moolah, out.
The SS Mont Blanc sailed toward the city as it was on fire. The Mont Blanc crew were unable to reach the firefighting equipment.
The ship was doomed and seacocks were shut. 2 rowboats containing 40 men were able to leave the SS Mont Blanc. Others on the ship were stuck aboard.
Well, there you go. The last piece for the puzzle. I've done it.
Oh, congrats, Denise.
Oh, thank you, Margaret. So how's your day so far?
Oh, my day was pretty good, yours?
Pretty decent. Did you hear about the explosion in Halifax?
Oh,
terrible.
Yes, I have. It's been all over the news.
Yes. 2 ships crashed into each other right in the port in Halifax, killing 2,000 people and injuring 9,000. That's terrible.
Oh, that's tragic.
Indeed, it is, indeed. Also heard that there is a blizzard in Halifax right now.
Oh,
There's thousands of people homeless. But good thing there's funds coming from all across the world to help Halifax in this terrible time. Well, God bless Canada! God bless Canada in the war!